chasing the stars with a fearless stride. My funded futures take me worldwide. My funded futures light the way, breaking through night into brighter days. My funded TV shows the scene, living my life like a vivid dream. The clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
What's up, everybody? What's up, Denny?
What's up, Steven? How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well. Wow, what volatility. Wild, 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 wild. Unbelievable. That's one word I can say is wild. Unbelievable. Wow, unbelievable. All right. Just insane volatility. Down. I mean, I counted the moves here. 930 S&Ps rally from 67.26 to 74, from 74 down to 14 to 67 to set up the 15-minute bear flag, and then from 67 all the way down to 62. Good Lord. You talk about this is over. I mean, this has got to be over 300 points just on the S&P. I even count the NASDAQ here today. Unbelievable volatility. Unbelievable. Don't worry, Danny. We'll get him back, good buddy. Come on.
Yeah, we'll get him back. Steven, can we get your chart shared?
Yep. Aaron, can you share my chart screen? I don't know what he did. Oh, man. Gold just got caboose just now there. Let's see. Let's see here.
Wins are still bigger than the losses, so that's all that matters, right, Steven?
What's that?
I said the wins are bigger than the losses, so that's all that matters, right?
Listen, blank happens. You know, you got caught with a news event. I don't know what Trump said it, but they where were you long? Were you long NASDAQ, S&Ps?
NASDAQ. Yeah, I only trade NASDAQ.
It dropped about 40 though, right?
Yeah. But my entry was 24,939, and my stop loss was at 24,895.
You just do single lot entry?
No, I was on two minis.
Yeah, but you bought one price?
Yeah, I bought one price.
Yeah, you try to scale, like try to determine how many contracts you want to trade and scale into the range. Single lot entries are really difficult, you know, Denny?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't. Are you talking about like entering all at one time?
Yeah. You don't do that.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have to determine, like, let's say, for example, I call a range, right? Like I'll do like a 30, 35, 40 point range on the NASDAQ, right? So that means people should go in like 3 or 4 times in that range and do like every 9 or every 10, 11 points. They scale in. So you determine how many contracts you want to buy or sell, right? So basically the scaling in and the scaling out process really will change your life. I'm just telling you. What you're doing, single lot entry, that's meaning just one price and putting a stop order in. So determine like how many contracts you want to trade. So let's say you want to do 10 micros, right? And let's say argument's sake, where you start buying the NASDAQ, what price?
Second, what was this? 64938.
64938. So let's say you bought 38s, and then it dropped down to 64, right? I see it on the pencil down.
Yeah.
Okay. But then it pushed up. Okay, so let's say you probably would have gotten stopped out. But let's just say you bought 38, then you buy 28, you buy 18, you buy 08s, you're out. But then if you bought it again, or then if you shorted again here on the bear flag at 1925, when it traded up to 95 or 90, and then it got kabooshed all the way down about 60 points. So you try to determine how many contracts you want to buy or sell. Let's say even if it's five micros or 8 micros, right? Try to go every 10 or 11 points on the NASDAQ. That to me is the best way to scale in and scale out.
I'll look into doing that then. Is Aaron going to share your screen?
Aaron, can you share my screen, Aaron, please? I don't know why you can't see my screen here. I don't know what's going on. All right, there it is. Can you see it now?
Nope. He hasn't shared it in StreamYard.
Yeah.
See if I can find him.
All right. I take a short here on the NASDAQ here. If they get up to the 98 all the way up. Hold on, what's Aaron saying here? Yeah. Okay, you got it now, Denny? There we go. All right.
It's not showing up on my end.
It's not showing up?
No, he's not sharing it inside StreamYard.
All right, I'll tell him. He's saying he did. Okay. All right, let's see here. This gold just got kabooshed. How is everybody today? How did everybody do today? How's everybody doing today here? Wow, it was pretty crazy. I did the Sunday night edition here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it was wild yesterday, boy. Woo! Down 100, then up 150, 160. I think this NASDAQ's a short up here. 05 up to like, see if I saw like 05 to 40. You start scaling like 05, 15, 25, like that kind of thing, Aaron. Denny, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Gold just got kabooshed. I couldn't even say short gold that fast. Oh. What did Papa Trump say? Anybody? Can you see the screen now? There it is.
Yep. Got it up now.
What did Papa Trump say? Anything?
As far as I'm aware of, he was just talking about basically how parents didn't love their kids and things like that. I'm like, you're just talking about a bunch of nonsense. But he also talked about tax cuts and there was one more thing.
See the NASDAQ? NASDAQ just looked to cover shorts below 02. So let's just say you sold the NASDAQ. I just sold S&Ps here, 99. Let's say you sold the NASDAQ at 08. Look at it drop. Look at it drop, Denny. See?
Yeah, I do see it.
There you go. S&Ps just dropped 4. Anybody get the short there? There you go. Papa Trump? Why not? What's wrong with calling him Papa Trump? President Trump? I don't get what's wrong with saying Papa Trump. I don't understand. So a nice little short scalp there on the NASDAQ. Wow, what a gold short just now. Geez, you just caught the gold short for 2,000. That was beautiful, that gold short. Damn. When I walked in, I saw that gold. How about this gold short, really? I was telling Arton earlier today. It pushed up here. You got this short right here. Beautiful short. You guys want to see a great pattern? Look at that. Look at that. Right into that negative MACD on the 30. If you guys want to see a great pattern, this is one of the best patterns of the day. When the 15-minute time frame reverses to sell on the GLDs today, right here, look at this, right? It correlated with the 30 and the 60. This is the first short right here at 12:30 off the 5-minute time frame on the 15. And look at the 30-minute. The 30 and the 15 both set up beautifully here. Now, you want to see a Picasso? I'm going to show you an absolute Picasso trade. Okay? I'm going to show you an absolute Picasso trade. This is the short we called on the gold around, what time was that? Oh, yeah, right here. We called this short on the gold at 220. This is when the 5-minute time frame reversed to sell, and it correlated with its 15, 30, and 60. We called this short here on the gold above 64.5. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you I expected a 50 handle drop. I did not. I expected maybe 4 to 8 because it was late in the afternoon. Look at this drop in gold, 66.5. Look at this. Is this amazing? This is 50 points down, 60 points down on the gold. 60 points down on the gold. Absolutely kabooshed. Absolutely kabooshed. So anyway, great patterns here today on the gold. Great patterns here. Hello, everybody. Johnny Z, how are you? Stephen Moore. Anybody new here? It's Christmas in November. I'll get you a couple accounts tomorrow, Denny. Don't worry.
No. Steven.
Yes, sir.
I'm messaging Aaron right now, but your link that he sent me last week, a lot of people in chat are saying that it's bad now. Like it's not working.
Okay. I guess he's hearing it. For the free trial?
Yeah, for the free trial.
I don't know, Aaron. I don't know if he's hearing that.
Snowy, be quiet. Come here. You want to see my dog, Steven?
Let me see your dog.
Come here.
What a nice drop on that, right? Fiber Spice God.
You see my dog, Steven?
Let me see. Oh my God! Look at that, the spoiled one. Beautiful. God bless. Beautiful. What's her name? His name?
Snowy.
Snowy?
Yeah, Snowy. Well, when we first got her, she was like super white with no brown in her fur like she has now. And she was fluffy like a cloud. So we called her Snowy. And now she has brown like on her chest. So, but we're not going to change her name. Yeah, she's very fluffy and she sheds everywhere.
Hendrix would have a new toy. Absolutely. You know, guys, we've been doing this now almost 5.5 months, man. We should be getting 1,000 people watching this show almost every night. I mean, Sunday night, I had about 350 just on Sunday, and it was only for an hour and a half, but it was wild yesterday. Oof. The buy divergences right on the opening. I mean, combined between my YouTube and MyFundedFutures YouTube, we've had about up to 800 last week. So come on, let's try to get this up to 1,000. So I mean, it is slow here, but we'll see. It should pick up. Look at this. Everyone go to Launch Point Trading Investment live stream. We're about to hit 500 winning trades in a row. Give me a break. Ban him, Denny.
Who am I banging?
Binary.
You are banned, good sir. You
Out.
you know not to be talking about other live streams while we're streaming.
Ban him.
He's gone.
Tired of these people once and for all. All right. Boy, oh boy. Even gold's quiet here tonight. This NASDAQ gets up to the 28 up to the 48.50 range. I probably look to show me short some S&Ps up here. What the hell's going on up here?
The link is trying to get fixed right now, everybody.
Yeah, so I offer a 5-day free trial. I don't know what Aaron never told me what's going on here.
Here, someone tell me if that one works. Oh, it does work. I just clicked on it and it works. All right, I will pin that one instead.
Yeah, we're offering a 5-day free trial to sktrading.live, so take advantage of it. Papa Trump talking? Somebody, S&P's rally like 30 off the lows there. See if we got to push down here. NASDAQ should drop here.
I'm about to work on some giveaways, Steven. How about that?
There you go.
All right, I'll be back
everybody's been pretty good lately, I got to tell you.
Yeah, they have. So what do you think about doing 25 giveaways tonight?
I was going to say 25. It's funny you said that number.
We'll do 20 on spin the wheel, and then 5 people who share the stream. How about that?
Okay, that's fair. I think that's pretty good. I think people have been really good lately.
All right, I'm going to go build the form. I'll be back in like 20 minutes, okay?
Yep. Got to be shorting this NASDAQ here. Look at this. 15's turning up, 30's. Oh. Yep. Let's see if this NASDAQ can drop 28, 30 range. Let's look for any shorts here. Everybody tonight. Bitcoin hit that 91,000 level. Unbelievable, Bitcoin. How about the S&Ps? I'd short these S&Ps here. Let's see, you go 06 up to like 11. 06.5 up to 11.5. See if this NASDAQ can get a push down here. I think gold's going down. I think gold's going down. I think the whole market, Bitcoin to 50,000 bear. I agree. I think Bitcoin's going lower. If you saw the chart, if you saw that you could buy this NASDAQ covered a short between the 28 and 42, wherever you're short. If you see the chart on the NASDAQ, okay, compared to Bitcoin, 90% of the time the Qs follow Bitcoin. Just to let everybody know that, right? Andrew, you see that? You caught the long last bear market. You mean the last bull market, not bear market. There goes the gold. There goes the S&Ps dropping. NASDAQ dropping. Should make a higher low on the double blue here. Let's see if this NASDAQ can pull in. You want to take a long on the NASDAQ on the double blue 5-minute time frame. You can waiting for Bitcoin to go to 82,000. I think Bitcoin can go a little lower than that, to be honest with you. All right, very quiet here on gold. Look at the NASDAQ drop here, 28 to 42 range. If you're short, look to cover shorts there. You think gold is going to 50, then drop? I don't know. You got a bear. Let me look at the bigger time frames here on gold here. You got the 30-minute here. Geez, NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Does gold have any buy divergence? I'm looking right now. Not really. You got the ADX rising here. You got to be careful here. If the 60-minute, I mean, this was the bear flag right here. Look at that S&P's drop. Oh my God, NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Coach Fred, good job. Can we get 1,000 views here before? Come on. Denny, you get that short there in the NASDAQ, Denny? Then you should come. Denny, we should do this like a week. You should come and hang out with me for a week.
I might try to, Steven, but I haven't been trading. Like I lost tonight, so I was like,
so what? Get back in the game. The saddle, singles and doubles.
I don't want to risk anymore. I want to keep what I got going because I'm close.
Yeah, right. So let's just say, for example, let's just say you sold NASDAQ at 30 and then 40 and it just dropped to 29. You cover. Boom. Right? You just take a little trade there. You know? Yeah. What does kabooshed mean? Oh, my God.
It means kabooshed.
It means a drop. Can somebody explain what kaboosh means to Freck? I've never had anybody ask me that. NASDAQ pushing up to new highs. NASDAQ at short NASDAQ again, 55 up to 85. So I'm going 30 wide on the NASDAQ. Then you go every 10, every 9, every 10. Right, Danny? Chop. Oh, yeah, but who cares? I'm in a buy at NASDAQ, Jip Smith. Okay, I like to get the pullback for the long. Anybody new here? Anybody new here? I have a 5-day free trial. There goes the gold dropping. If this gold, oh my God, this gold's going to drop. NASDAQ just dropped 15. If you're short, be careful, Jip Smith. If you're short the NASDAQ, just look to cover below 45. Andrew, you get short again on the S&Ps above 07. The high is 07 3/4, just dropped 3. Kaboosh means lower. It does not mean lower your stop. It means kaboosh means a drop. It doesn't mean lower your stop. Wow. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Jeff Smith, I hope you kick your longs and reverse to go short. Jeff Smith. Let's go. Look at it drop. Arton, you get the short. Gold just got kabooshed. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Andrew, get back in there. Look at this NASDAQ, 44. Jesus, on the gold. How are we trading today? I don't know. Just scalping some shorts here on the S&P. Kaboosh means yell at Arton. I don't yell at Arton. No, I don't yell at Arton. I yell at people for not putting in stop orders, for over trading, for revenge trading. Not kibosh. Flush the toilet. Kaboosh is Kabooshd. I'm entered 2481, but I'm about to close. Okay, I don't know. I mean, that was a nice drop there. 20 points. All right. S&P's just dropped 4. NASDAQ just dropped 24. 24. Sorry. That was the Picasso. Absolutely. Costs nothing to pay attention. I agree. Talking about MyFundedFutures hosting an event. Got to do an event. Look at this. Look at the NASDAQ. Oh, my God. 30, Jeff Smith. I call it short and you're still long. Ah! S&P's down 6. Andrew, you should have re-entered. I don't know why you didn't go back in, Andrew. You have sells on the 30 and 60-minute time frame. Hey, Artan. Hey, Artan. S&P's, NASDAQ just dropped 30. S&P's just dropped 6. It's a great short. You get him? You should be up at least $200-300. If you're not, I'm going to kill myself. No, come on. Enough is enough. Let's go. Very, very. Look at them drop. S&Ps. Oh, my God. 40 points, Jip Smith. Anybody short the NASDAQ there? Wow, what a short. What does kaboom mean? Kaboom means up. Oh, my God. Can we have a definition list here? NASDAQ, S&Ps just dropped 7. Anybody get the short on the NASDAQ or S&Ps? Gold just dropped 8. All 3. NASDAQ long soon? I don't know yet. I got to watch. If the NASDAQ maybe gets down to the 05, you go long 70. I go long like 75 to 05. Oh, my God. S&P's down 8. As NASDAQ just got absolutely kabooshed. Derek, short S&P. Jeff Smith, I don't understand you, Jeff Smith. No, it's not an ICT name. Come on, Term. What are you, crazy? Oh, my God. I agree. Oh, my God. Bob Matheson, tell me you got that short, Bobby Matheson. Come on, good buddy. Look at it. Just you just watch the NASDAQ just drop like that. Just 57, drop 50 points. Jip Smith. Off the 5 on the double blue. Uh-oh. There goes my internet. Am I down?
You're still live, Steven.
Okay. Anybody who's here today, you should go to the go to MyFundedFutures YouTube or SK Trading YouTube and click on the pin link for the 5-day free trial and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. There you go. What a short on the S&Ps. Oh, my God. NASDAQ missed it. I was 08, 005. Damn it. All right. I would cancel the buy, and then this is a beautiful bull flag. You're going to get one more push up here on the NASDAQ. Wow. You see that long there? All right. Let's just see if we get another push. I don't know anything about this. Tory trades. Long on the S&P, I would, if it goes a little lower, probably like 99.5 if it gets down there. Oh, man, NASDAQ just ran 20. Damn it. I missed it by 3. Jesus. Again, if you're on YouTube, please go to the pinned link for the 5-day free trial. If you want a 5-day free trial to sktrading.live, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. You get a 5-day free trial to sktrading.live. I stream every day from 9 to 4. 9 to 4. Man, gold's really quiet here, Arton. Wow. You caught the NASDAQ short? Kaboom. Kaboom is up. All right. Hello, brother. How are you? ICT-NGL. How are you? Very quiet. What a short on the NASDAQ. Very quiet. Wow. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Anybody new? Anybody new? Anybody new? Wow. You want to see some great volatility? Look at this. Look at this pattern today. You guys want to see something great? I'll put the 30 here and I'll put the 60 here. You guys want to see a monster sell divergence here? What is this today? Look at this. Look at this pattern today. Look at this. Can you tell me what lunatic is buying the market right here? Look at this. 25,250. Look at this. You're pushing up here into a negative. You're making new highs. And the MACDs are non-confirming here. Number one, on the 60-minute time frame. You're making new highs, right? This is from 10 o'clock this morning. I couldn't say short fast enough. Okay? Everybody see this? You're making new highs. You have two sell divergences here. Can anybody tell me what they are? Anybody? Can anybody tell me what they are? Indicator 4 is my proprietary algorithm. Okay, can anybody tell me what this is? This goal is going to reverse here, go lower. Anybody know? The 1215 shorts were amazing, but I'll show you the 150 short that even makes this look stupid. Okay, first of all, you have two sell divergences here. One, you're making new highs, okay, and the MACDs on the 30 and the 60 could not confirm the high. That's one. Okay. Number two. Okay. You're making new highs and the price action is pushing up into a negative MACD, blue over yellow, on both the 60 and on the 30. Okay. Oh my God. Gold just dropped 10. Okay. That's one. If you want to look at the 1215 pattern, look at the Russell. The Russell negative on both the 60 and on the 30. Everything's set up at 1215. Look at this. Look at this short. 1215, 1230. 15 reverses to sell. Look at everything set up for the short. There goes the S&P. There goes the NASDAQ. Andrew, raise your stops on the long on the double blue. NASDAQ just ran 30. NASDAQ just ran 30. There you go. Sounds like a cow giving birth. This is textbook long. I was calling the long. Now, boom, Arton. I hope you're long. Arton is from the same pattern from yesterday. It's not a dead cow. Okay. Now, so this pattern today at 12, 12:15, 12:30, NVIDIA, kabooshed. right here, 12.15. Where is it? That's the 15 right here. Okay, NVIDIA. Look at Coinbase, finished. Coin, 12.15, right here. Look at the oscillator. And this oscillator is even worse. Okay, you have the ADX rising on the 60 and the 15 and the 30. Okay, you're getting overbought into a negative MACD, big selling pressure, rising ADX on the 15. Coinbase 269, unbelievable, down 9 points in 40 minutes. Down 9 points in 40 minutes. Anybody get the long? Good job, Andrew. 03. Good job. Nice 4 points on the S&P. Okay. And then this is the big pattern for the day. Ready? When the 30-minute time frame, you can see the 60s negative. You can see the 15s negative on indicator 4. Okay. But watch this pattern, everybody. When the 30-minute reverses to sell, you got a correlation with the 15 and the 60-minute time frame. Everybody know what the next strategy is to do? Anybody? Come in, Manila. You short the first bounce. Here it is. So you can see the 30 reverses to sell at 1. At 150, the 5-minute time frame. Okay. No, you cannot. Okay. I wouldn't. Okay. The 5-minute time frame gets overbought. Okay, now you can see the price was 669.91 and it closed at 669.12, so it dropped about 70 something cents. So, but when it traded to 669.91, this oscillator was in the 80-90 range, right? And so look at this, S&Ps were trading 67.36. And they got absolutely caboose. Look at this, 66.91, boom. Dropped over 43 points on the S&P. 43 in 5, 10, 15, 20. You want to see what the NASDAQ did? NASDAQ on that pattern at 150 today. Right here. NASDAQ 25,050. Kabooshed. Almost 225 points. That's a set strategy. Okay? All right. Come on. Can we get this stream up to 500? A lot of work that goes into this. Come on. NASDAQ just ran 30. S&Ps just ran 5 on that. That's a little bullish pattern. You can see that when the MACDs are positive like this, right, and you see the 30-minute turning up, this was the long I was trying to get on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ got down to 08 and then rallied 30. NASDAQ struggling hard. I agree. How's the night going, Juice Bag? All right. Quiet. Gold's very quiet. Very unusual for gold. Gold had I think gold really. NASDAQ looking at 25,000. Oh, we'll see. We'll see if it gets it. Right now, the NASDAQ's negative on the 30 and 60-minute time frame on indicator 4. Okay. But if we take out this 24,959, then the next strategy is What's the next strategy? You look to buy pullbacks on the 5, and here's the big number, the 60-minute, 25,031. That's 100 up from here. So what about the Tokyo Open, Julian? What about it? 10 o'clock? 9 o'clock? I called the range here to buy the NASDAQ at 05. It got down to 08. It didn't get there. You got to wait now. You got to wait for a better. You got to wait. $34.51 and 4,900 for gold. 4,900 for gold. Whew. Right now, man. Okay. S&P is up 7. Nasdaq up 40. Nasdaq dropped 50 and ran 40. Gold just got cabooshed down 12. So you think gold's going to 34.51 and then 4,900? That could be. I see that. That would be a gift, 3,400. You back up the truck there. I don't play that 50-day moving average. And if you look at the gold here, what's the NASDAQ? Just got up to 52. Just dropped 10. If you look at the gold here, you can see the gold. If I could type. You can see the gold's negative here on the 30-minute and on the 60. Big number here. If gold takes out this number right here, the 40.24, we're about 5 points away. Then the 15 will reverse to sell and it'll correlate with the 30 and 60. Then we look for shorts for sure. Okay. I don't look at trend lines, Tory trade tan lines. I don't look at trend lines. Okay, up or down? I don't know. We'll see. Nasdaq's pushing up here. All right. S&P trying to go positive on the 30 here. Very quiet. Then he's working on some giveaways. And again, anybody who wants to sign up for a 5-day free trial, please. The link is there. Denny, did you post a link in MyFundedFutures for a 5-day free trial?
I did, Stephen.
Thank you.
Yep.
There goes the S&P's making new highs. NASDAQ making new highs. Damn it. That was a beaut. Andrew, good job, Andrew. Even though you made an S&P's up 8, NASDAQ up about, well, if it hits 50, it'll be 50. There's the link, everybody, for my 5-day free trial. If this NASDAQ gets up, I'm thinking if this NASDAQ gets up to the 56, I go like maybe 58 to 88 range. I'd look to short it on the NASDAQ. S&P's trying to push up here. How's everybody doing tonight? Anybody new here tonight? If you're new, there's a 5-day free trial to SK Trading. So there it is. Please sign up. It's absolutely free. Free. Very, very quiet. I can't believe gold. Gold's doing absolutely nothing here. We got to smash the like buttons. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. S&P's making new highs here. Why? I have no idea. I'll just short some here. I take a scalp short 08 3/4 up to like 12 3/4, 13 on the S&P. They get up there. NASDAQ pushing up into the range. Again, I would switch to micros. Just see if you can get a little bit of a push here. All right, NASDAQ. Let's see if this NASDAQ can drop at least 10 to 14, 15 here. You could cover some NASDAQ below 51 if you're short. Here we go. Here we go. No volume, but look at them drop. S&P's dropping 2. NASDAQ just dropped 10. Gold is dead because gold carried everybody out today. S&P's cabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped 10. That's what I was looking for. Cancel offers. Boom. Nice little scalp, a little short there in the NASDAQ. Never seen gold do this, boy. I just dropped. Well, it did drop from 44 down to 29, though, so. Anybody short the NASDAQ? NASDAQ just dropped 10. NASDAQ just dropped here. Little scalp. Do you trade FX? No, I used to, but I could teach you. Again, shorting? No, not shorting. NASDAQ, Arton just dropped 14, 15 on the NASDAQ. S&P's, Andrew just dropped 2.5, 3. Love the volatility. I trade one micro, stay in the game. Very hard for you to trade single lot entries. Hello, Jeff. Very hard for anybody to trade single lot entries to do one micro. You can't. It's impossible. You got the gold long. Be careful on the scalp. S&P's dropped 3. NASDAQ just dropped 15. Be careful with this gold. Gold actually now is down 19 off the highs. S&Ps just got cabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Gold getting cabooshed here. Anybody get the short on the S&P or NASDAQ? You get the short up there?
NASDAQ, no. Trade the NASDAQ.
S&Ps?
S&Ps, yes.
Okay.
A little bit, tiny bit, in and out.
Okay.
So,
Well, I know you don't trade the NASDAQ, so I meant
yeah,
to.
yes.
Okay. NASDAQ ladder very thin. Green Otter. Again, if you're new, please click on the pin link above and you can get a 5-day free trial to SK Trading. Okay, look at this gold down 20. Gold's down 20 since the beginning. Again, it was all off the 15-minute time frame here. When the 15 got, why can't I type? Oh, it's right here. That's why. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, you can see the gold right here, 44 when I walked in, 8:15. The minute I said it already had dropped. Look at this. S&P's down 4, NASDAQ down 20. Gold making new lows. Artan, are you short, Artan? Good job, Robert Guerrero. Absolutely, it works for FX. Pound dollar, dollar yen, euro dollar. Zachary, you're late to the dance, Zachary. Gold just got absolutely caboosed down 21. Zachary. Looks like the NASDAQ wants to pull back. That's true. It does. ES going to dump? I don't know. I'm not so certain here. How about this Bitcoin? Oof. Bitcoin cabooshed. Bitcoin hit 91,000 from 26. So you're talking a drop of 35,000 points in Bitcoin. Oh my God, look at this gold. Now, if these 15-minute time frames reverse to sell here, you're going to correlate with the 30 and the 60. And then you look to short the bounces on the 5-minute. Oh my God, this gold. Our time, remember when I can't believe this gold was trading 54 at 7 o'clock. Very quiet. Zachary, you made 2,700 on 5 accounts today. That's unbelievable. He's trading while watching the Knicks game. I love it. All right. Oh my God, this gold's gonna get cabooshed. This gold can go to 15. Who looks at trend lines?
No one looks at trend lines.
That's what I said.
You know the trader, Tory trades? That's your thing. Not this guy, though. The YouTuber, Tory trades.
Thank you, Gabriel Trades. Yeah, there's a link above for a 5-day free trial for SK Trading. Man, the volatility was absolutely insane today. I love it. I'm exhausted. You're in a $7 loss and what? There you go, Martin. 1,600 on 5 MyFundedFutures accounts. That's what I'm talking about, Martin. Get in there.
Good job, Martin. Good job. Good. What are you doing? Looking at chat, Steven?
I'm just reading like stuff. I don't understand what people are even saying.
You see who I got with me now?
Look, oh, the mascot,
Mm-hmm.
the boss of all bosses. How come she's still up? Isn't it late?
Yeah, it's almost 9, but she just woke up, so we're going to feed her and then put her back to sleep. She stops eating her hands. She is 3 months old. Do we look alike? No, this is my third kid, and she
No
is
way.
learning. She's in here with me all the time. Right.
I think if you want to take a scalp, this gold's going to sit. Look at this gold negative
I got
MACD
you,
here.
Rocky. I got you.
This gold just rallied 4.
Believe it or not, she already said her first word. She said mom.
Did she really?
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful. God bless.
Thank you.
You got 2 points on the gold long? No candles. Switch to gold, more action. I agree. All right. All right. This is really quiet. This is brutal. That's a good analysis, Zachary. That's a great analysis, Zachary. Great analysis that you're going to change up your scaling in and scaling out based upon the day and the night session. Great job. She says kabooshed. That's going to be her second word. Her first word's mom. Her second word is going to be kabooshed. Right? Let's go, everybody. Let's get this up to 8,900. Gold just rallied 5. Gold's going right back. Gold's going down to 15. Anybody new here? Anybody new? I'll get her a caboose t-shirt. Of course. Anything for Denny. Denny's going to be down here in about a month. Hope I can run into him.
Steven, we think that it's going to be the 19th through the 23rd.
December 19th through the 23rd.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to be in Orlando, right?
Yes, sir.
Uncle Stevie's got to come and visit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm making this right. Write this down. December 19th, 23rd. Denny, you're going to be in the Disney park?
Either Disney or Universal, because we usually get the military passes for the Universal parks.
Is Disney under that? You know,
Disney is doing something for that now. They just make a pass where you, for military personnel, they can go all year long as many times as they want for $4.99.
Wow.
Wow.
Yep.
Disney.
Look at this gold. If this gold gets down to the 0880, 1580, I'd take a scalp long. I told you this gold is going to 15. Danny Trade, if you're in Orlando, come visit Uncle Stevie. Let's go. Get in here. All right. Benny, what time are you doing the giveaways? Oh, geez, look at them.
Let's do at 9:20. We'll do 10, and then at 9:45 we'll do another 10. How about that?
Got it. That's
right.
good. That's beautiful. We got to share this link there. We got to get to 500, 600, 700 tonight. I know it's Monday. People are.
I think we can do it. We just need everybody that's in here, which is 373 people, to share the stream.
All right. S&P gold just rallied. All right. I would cancel the gold just rallied like maybe 2 here, 3. All right. Then we got down to that 15. Very quiet here. No running to the bathroom. Run into the bathroom. I don't know. I'd like to know when we're going to get a kabooming for the kabooshing. I like that. Zachary, I can't wait to see you in next week? Zach? NASDAQ just got kaboosh 30. S&Ps just dropped 6. The link is there for the 5-day free trial. Rough. Yes, my Hendricks. Steven, where's Hendricks tonight? He's home. Hey, Jess. Oh, he's so good, my boy. He's so good, my boo-boo. Maybe I'll bring him tomorrow. You want me to bring him tomorrow night, Jess? I'll bring him tomorrow night. Want me to bring him tomorrow night? Gold just rallied 4. Be careful here. This 15 reverses these negative MACDs. The next bounces, I would look for shorts. How to enter? It's free. Oh, how to enter the stream?
It's already closed, everybody. I gave you till 9 o'clock. I already closed it.
Am I able to learn the setups in the free trial? Well, it depends how much time. I give you 5 days. It depends on your learning curve. Oh, he's such a good boy, my Hendricks. Hendricks dropped a major bicycle. That's a little inside joke. I can't say it here, but yes.
Hey, Ethan, can you take care of that in the chat, please?
Wow, really, really quiet here. Gold just rallied 5. Sell the bouncing gold? Yeah, I would. Yeah, but it's got to go get a little rally here. Look at this NASDAQ drop 30. Oh, my Lord.
Steven, I'm going to interrupt you real quick for 1 second. For everybody who is saying that it was not pinned, 1, it was pinned. Secondly, I posted it literally 30 different times, okay? And over 200 people already signed up for it. If you missed it, you have a chance tomorrow. But please don't come in here and start complaining about it, because we don't have to do giveaways. We do it because we love y'all, but we don't have to do it.
I take a scalp short on this gold. If it gets up to the 28 and a half, 28 and a half up to like the 34 and a half range. Let's see here. Into that negative MACD there. NASDAQ just got absolutely caboose, 35. Jeff Smith, you still long, Jeff Smith? Some gold here. Tried to buy that gold at 19, 15, got down to 19.
I'm in at 28.5. It's at 34, right?
Yeah.
Order filled.
Boom.
Order filled.
Unbelievable that gold rally like that. Damn it. I tried to buy that gold because when you saw the push down here, right here, the MACDs couldn't confirm the low on the 15, but all right, let's see if you get a drop here. S&P and NASDAQ going to get one more push up here. I think this gold, look to cover gold anywhere between the 28 and a half and 30 range if you're short. Again, the reason why I was calling the long on the gold here, you can see the gold on the push down to 19. The MACDs cannot confirm the low here. Damn it, S&P's rallied right back up. S&P's just ran 4. NASDAQ just ran 20. Oh my God, S&P futures. All right, S&P's reversed to buy on the 30-minute time frame. So this pushed down just now. The 30-minute reverse to buy, correlating with the 15. Right here, 2030. See if you get a push down here. S&P's just dropped here. NASDAQ. Do you know how to do you know how to what do you call it here? Are you short? Good. Yep. Let's see if this gold. Oh my God, S&P's just dropped 4, 5. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Gold, lower your stops on the gold. I'd lower your stops.
Steven,
Yes.
we got some very rude people in the chat tonight.
What happened? I don't see anything. I can't. I don't
No,
know.
it's because my amazing moderator is taking them out whenever they post something rude.
What are they
but
saying?
someone was like that they would like someone else to run the night stream. This guy ain't no fun to watch and listen to. Nothing professional about him. And they said me. They were like, "Can we
You
get
or
a
me?
new?" No, about me. They said that about me.
You know, I got to tell you, man, really, just kick him out, man.
I get it. They don't like the fact that I take the link away within a certain amount of time, but it's to benefit everybody in the stream. The people who are actually watching, that are actually being dedicated to us as MyFundedFutures.
I agree. I mean, you know, do you guys understand what MyFundedFutures has done here? I mean, they've given away over 700 free 50K or scale accounts. I've given away over 500. We're doing this at night, okay? And, you know, Denny's at home. You can see he's got his daughter there. And you can see how we're working here. We're trying to help you. We're trying to make you pass. We're trying to help you make money. And, you know, Denny's, forget it, military. I mean, there's nothing. I would jump in front of a bus for this guy, you know?
Well, I just had to delete someone else because then they come in here talking about another prop firm.
Yeah, see, look at that. Gone. Look at that. Why they see that? Jesus. Yeah, so I trade the New York session. Absolutely.
Yes,
And
it does. I should definitely go and watch them.
Aaron, can you MyFundedFutures YouTube is frozen. Can you refresh it for me? I can't see the people, how many people are watching now is frozen.
Oh, guys, my feelings are not hurt, but I am just letting everybody know in the chat. Haters or negativity will just be deleted. Will be banned from the MyFunded
so many
TV
people in the
channel.
world, man. You don't even. Jesus, unbelievable. This goal's going to get kabooshed.
Yes, let's get back to trading. Someone said watching 382. I'm guessing that's for NASDAQ. 382. Hang on, no. Was that ES?
Tried to buy that gold down there. Jesus. All right. Thank you, Mikey Jacques. Bitcoin's dropping. Yeah, Bitcoin's below almost 91,000. This Bitcoin is, I'm telling you right now, this Bitcoin's telling you something. Mark my words, this Bitcoin could kaboosh the market. I agree. Would I buy NASDAQ here? No. The 15s are rolling over. No. I think MyFundedFutures is a great firm for beginners. But here's the one thing, though, you know, about buying, right? I think what you need to do is you need to learn the methodology first. And that's why I have my live stream every day from 9 to 4. That's why I'm giving a 5-day free trial. Okay. A 5-day free trial. Look at it, gold. Look at this gold drop. If you re-shorted it, look to cover below 32, 20, 30 to 32. Bitcoin 20,000, please. Oh my God. You'll see people. Oh my God. Aaron, can you refresh the MyFundedFutures YouTube? It's stuck at 360. Gold just dropped 3. I hope you short the gold again.
Oh, no.
Why? Why?
The other one
You got the other one?
was fast. The first one was fast. I mean,
This gold's going to drop
the same
here.
thing where I'm just like,
S&P's just dropped here. NASDAQ just dropped. Gold just got caboose, $4. Oh my God, look at this gold. Really, there should be nobody really talking crap here. All right. NASDAQ, S&Ps, gold. Look at the gold. Anybody still short the gold? I would lower your stops. Oh my God. Jeff, you get short the gold up there, Jeff? Just drop. Hope you caught something on that. Wait till these fives roll over. Good job, Jeffrey. All right. Oh my God, I'm exhausted. So, Denny, you want to do 10 now, Denny?
Yeah. We can do 10 right. Well, we'll do 12 right now. Because I also got to pick 5 people who shared the stream. But let me get the wheel up.
What a very quiet day here.
It's very, very quiet. All right. Doom, 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 doom.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Frank from UK.
Hey, Frank from UK. Congratulations, Frank from the UK.
By the way, everyone, these accounts tonight are Scale Flex accounts.
Scale Flex.
Scale Flex. Where's Frank? Ah, there he is. Frank from UK. Congrats. Yep, Scale. It's not the Rapid, by the way. It's the Flex. J Boogie 1000.
NASDAQ, S&Ps and NASDAQ. I was about to say buy the NASDAQ. Damn it. On the double blue here.
J Boogie. Congrats.
There you go. There you go. Great long, Zach.
Keith Matthew. So with the core account, it costs less for one. You still have to make the same profit. Still get the same amount of drawdown. However, you are only able to withdraw $1,000, and after the profit split, it's $800 that you get to take home. With the scale account, on the other hand, you get to scale up on your payouts, which
There
I
you go.
will look to show you what the payouts scale is for that after we get done with these drawings. Actually, while that's going, let me see if I can
The link,
find
Sinister M3, the link for my Funded Future sign up, that was about 30 minutes ago. There's a certain window to sign up. Trader J can barely hear us. I don't know why. Let's see this gold drop another stick.
Jip Smith, are you here?
Just with one again?
Chip Smith.
Yeah, just with just one. There
Yeah,
you
just
go.
win.
Last week. Look at this gold down 5. I'd lower your stops.
He didn't win last week. I have the list right here from last
Maybe
week.
a week or two ago.
Yeah, maybe 2 weeks.
Yeah.
All right. I saw you, Jip Smith. Augustrio. I see ya. All right. We're at 5. Who is next? Bread 5646.
Wow, that gold just got kabooshed. That was beautiful. Gold just dropped 6.
Bread, are you here?
Wow. NASDAQ just exploded. Good job, Zachary, on that.
Going once. Going twice. Gone. All right, moving to the next one.
S&P just ran 5. That was a beautiful pullback on the 5 after the 30 reversed. Just got flat, Andrew, on that long. Good job.
Corp trades.
There you go. Oh, my God. Look at this gold. So if you know that the 30 and 60-minute time frames are still in sell mode and you see that push up into the negative MACD,
Corp.
short it again.
Entries on the 5, right?
Yeah. Always is 5.
10 bar. Or the 10 bar.
JL 1727.
Wow. Anybody still short the gold?
I see you.
Short.
Wow.
All right. Lula Cream. Lil Cream. Hey, I see you. All right, 2 more. Pife 15. Pife, are you here? Yes, I see you, Fife. One more on the wheel. Who's going to be the lucky winner?
I'm trying to figure it out.
Alfie 95. Alfie 95. Congratulations.
What is the target for gold? I'd be flat.
All right.
Gold just dropped $7 just now.
Now, we're going to do 2 winners right now from the people who shared. And then we will do 3 more at 9:45 along with the other 10 winners. Okay? So, first person first. Gauge Trades. Hey, Gauge Trade, I see you.
There you go.
All right. Last but not least, we're going to go with ICT NGL.
There you go.
What?
There you go.
I see his name all the time.
My bad, Gabriel. ICT, congrats. We'll be back at 9:45 for the rest of the giveaways. Take it away, Steven.
Take care, Arton. Have a great night. Good job, Arton. Just scalping away, Archam 1100. Good job. All right. Very quiet here. Very nice. Gold, very, very quiet. NASDAQ seems like it's running into a brick wall. These 15s look like they want to roll over. Crude Picasso tonight. Let's see here. Well, the ADXs are rising. Be careful. It's very hard to trade crude on the overnight. ICT, congratulations. There you go. Yeah. Jonathan Bakachelian, are you Armenian? Wow, it's already 9:30. Good Lord. I'll tell you, today's volatility, I'm exhausted. Target for the NASDAQ, I didn't do anything on the NASDAQ. I called nothing but, I think I called 3 shorts, and I tried to call long. I missed it by 3. Very quiet. All right, we're going to do another bunch of giveaways here. Again, if anybody is new and you want to sign up for my 5-day free trial, okay, it's pinned, and Denny has sent it. It's pinned on SK Trading, and it's also in the MyFundedFutures chat as well. Okay. Late, Bob Barker, you're late to the game.
Oh, Steven, can I share something real quick?
Yeah, absolutely. What's up, Denny?
This is what everybody was asking for. They asked what the difference between core and scale is. Here is the difference for the scale. You get to scale up your payouts. So you start off being able to make $1,500. Second payout, you get to take out $1,750. Third payout, you get to take out $2,000. Fourth payout, $2,500, and then fifth payout, $3,500. Then you get moved to a live account.
Wow, there you go.
This is the difference between
Can't
scale.
anything better than that.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. This is the difference between scale and core. I just showed you what the max payout for a scale is. After you hit the fifth, or when you get to the fifth payout, it's $3,500.
Zachary, you can't get excited over basketball this early in the season. Come on, really? Are you kidding me?
Mr. X, the intraday stops once you hit $2,100 in profit. Yeah, it swaps to AOD. The core does have 5 payouts, but you can't take out the same amount that you can on a scale account on core.
Is that right?
Yeah, core you can only take out $1,000 each time, where the scale it moves up every time you take a payout.
Beautiful. Look, see? Great job, Jeffrey. Great job, brother. It's hard to be. How could you like basketball this early in the season? Really? Oh my God. S&P's dropping here. NASDAQ dropping. 15's really ran into a stone wall here. Again, if you look at the negative MACDs on the 60-minute time frame, this is what's really going to haunt the market tonight here. You can see these negative MACDs on the 60. These 15, these 60s are getting overbought. These 60s roll over. Look, good night, Irene, on the market. Denny, you see what I just sent you, Denny?
Let me see. Oh, for the Discord?
Yeah, I made that for you.
All right. I will see if I can get someone to post it in the Discord. I think I got to send it to Ben because I'm not allowed to post links in the Discord right now.
Well, I asked Luke. Luke, I sent it to Luke, but he didn't reply.
He's a very busy man.
He's very busy, man.
Chat, I am going in here and make sure y'all are not entering it twice, by the way. What do you think the market's going to do for the rest of the week?
Well, you got some economic numbers coming out, supposedly. See, how do I enter? You got to be kidding me.
Who said it?
7 United. Bear flag on the 30-minute NASDAQ? Yeah, I think so. I think they're going to roll over.
It's plenty fair how we do it. We give y'all 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes even 30 minutes to enter. If you're not here for the entire stream, why should you get a chance to win? The stream is only 2 hours long a night. You can either open it up on your phone, open it up on your computer, open it up on your TV. We're here to spread education to all the traders out there. Not just be about giveaways, chat.
I agree. It's also learning. And look at this market. I'm telling you, look at this. These 60s are going to roll over, and it's over. Bye-bye S&Ps. Bye-bye NASDAQ. Gold just dropped 3 again. Nacho, was that some call on the opening? Yes, I'm Armenian as well. Correct. If you're new, if you want to have a 5-day free trial, please sign up for the, there's a link there. S&P's kabooshed. 08 down to 08 3/4, just dropped 14. NASDAQ just got kabooshed, 58 down 70. Gold just dropped 4. Oh, they're finished.
Steven, someone knows you.
Who?
7 United said that he used to subscribe, or he was part of your old subscription like 5 years ago.
Who's that? If you are, just text me 914-500-7484. Look at them get kabooshed, Denny. Oh my God. I would take a scalp long here on the NASDAQ is 75 range. S&Ps, they get down to the 87.5, 92.5 range. The 30s reverse to buy here. Well, actually, you know what? Let me cancel that. Erase that long. Forget it. I cancel. Would I think of order flow trading? I don't think of any order flow trading.
I'd rather not do that. Simplify. I do say it every single time we come on stream, though. So if they can't, like, just understand how it's going to be, how the giveaway is done every single day, they're just going to keep missing it.
The sound effects make you laugh. It makes me laugh too. We got to figure on the bull, though. The bull sounds like a dying cow.
Emmanuel, that was a bear.
Good job, Andrew Knapp. Andrew, when are you going to come over and hang out with me again, Andrew? Oh, wait till these 60s reverse. Oh my God, they're going to get kabooshed. My God. Anybody new here today? Again, please click on the link. For the 5-day free trial, okay? If you guys are interested. Hawk Trader, how are you? All right. Where do I see the gold drop for? I'm looking at the 5-minute time frame on gold, and you can see that that's the S&P. But if we were calling shorts on gold before here, right here, gold just hit the 35 level again. You should have shorted this gold again. Gold just dropped 5 from the prior bar. You see that right there when you hear me say that? How much you up? Can't be $30. I'll kill myself. How much you up?
One micro is $20.
How many are you scaling in?
Huh?
On the gold short, on the gold, you should have went like 1148 or something. Gold scaled up. It ran like 3 into the range, 4 into the.
1, 2, and you do what you do, like you.
Oh, you did. All right.
Profit right away, and then trigger it so fast.
Well, okay. All right.
No, I'm out.
Gold just dropped 6. Okay. Your goal is to try to make 100, 200 a night here. So then step it up bigger then.
Yes, sir. Okay.
All right.
Got the blessing. Let's do
Yeah.
this.
No, I'm just saying. To do 1 micro. Oh my God. Gold just got caboosed, $6. Again, remember, gold is negative on the 30 and 60-minute time frames here. Oh my God, look at this gold. Anybody short the gold above 34.5 again? We had it here. We had it here. I missed it here. Just going to leave the gold up. Anybody? Come in, Manila. Oh my God almighty. Well, I think the market's going to get cabooshed. Very quiet now. Hard to do anything. Good night, Andrew.
Steven, you ready to do some more
Yep.
giveaways?
Let's do some giveaways.
Let's do it. Teach like ADJ. Teach like ADJ. Are you here? Yay, there he is. All right, moving on to number 2.
Oh my God, look at this gold.
Oh, it ends at 10. It always ends at 10. Amar Munoz.
If these S&Ps get down to the 87.92 range, NASDAQ gets down to the 53.73, I look to take a scalp long to get one more push here.
Omar, where you at? There you are. SJ Pump. Where you at, SJ? There you are. All right. Moises, or yeah, Moises, where you at? Moises. Tevin, we might look into doing that. Moises.
Oh my God! Look
going
at this
once.
gold. Gold's down $9.
Moises going twice.
S&Ps, Nasdaq's down almost 90 off the highs.
If
Like
he's in
you
the bath, that's definitely on him. Moises not here. His Royal Trades.
And out of longs.
His Royal Trades. Where you at?
S&Ps, if you're long, look to scale out above 92.5. Nasdaq above 74. Just scalp it.
He was here. So he's not here, chat? Going once. Going twice. Gone. SP4, are you here?
There you go. SP4 is in the house. SP4 is in the house. Look at this S&Ps. Oh my God, down 18. Huh?
Keith, you're funny.
What?
I see you, SP.
Trade them.
Number 5. Sam Rue, are you here? Sam Rue, I see you. All right, before I do that, what did Chicken Trader say? Milton, are you here? Milton. Hey, Milton's here.
Mullen's in the house. Oh my God! Look at this gold
Captain
drop.
Price.
Gold's down
Captain
$12
Price.
off the high.
The link is no longer able to join. The last time I'm saying it tonight.
What are they
Add the
asking?
price. There you are.
I'm sure he won before.
NASDAQ, you could take a scalp long anywhere between the 45 and 65, just very small. I still think these 30s are gonna, these 60s are gonna roll over. But if you want to take a scalp long only,
Martin, ACA. Martin, are you here? The wheel never lies. All right, Martin going once. Martin going twice. Martin's out of here. Paul S 0967. Paul S, are you here?
there goes the NASDAQ, there goes the S&Ps. Boom, kaboom. Last trade, there you go. Gold just got absolutely slaughtered like sheep in the night. Gold's down 615. Look at the S&P and NASDAQ on a little scalp long, Denny. That's it. That's it. That's it. Beautiful.
Congrats, Paul. Yoni, are you here, Yoni?
Oh my God! Look at this gold. Gold's down almost 18. Anybody get the long on the NASDAQ or S&Ps? Nobody. Gold's down 6, 7 points. How about gold's down 17, 18?
Oh, Stevens, the 7 United dude said.
Yeah, I see him. I see him. I see him.
Okay. Yoni, are you here? Yoni going once. Yoni going twice. Yoni is gone. So many people missed out on cows. Crick Swan, are you here?
Good job, Lev. Good job, Brinks. Good job, Jeffrey. Nice little scalp long there. Gold just rallied 4. Should have bought it.
Cricks. Oh, there you are, Cricks. I see you, Cricks. I wonder why you didn't put your name as Crocs.
How do you join next time?
Zia Trades.
When you join, how do you join? Then he gives a period of time where you guys got to sign in.
Just be here the entire stream. The link gets posted. Once it gets posted, you have anywhere from 30 or 15 to 30 minutes to sign up. And yeah, that's how you enter. All right. Now, the last 3 people who have shared the stream. Let me go back to my list. All right. So first, first. We're going with Mr. Kwasfuafo. I don't know how to say your name. Mr. Kuasaufo. Kawasi Akafu. Are you here? Is he not here?
Kabooshum. Oh my God. People are
Kabushum.
brutal. Uh-oh, he says I'm here now.
Where?
5 years ago. All right. All right, everybody. We got a couple minutes. How many more we got?
We got 3 more.
All right. Very quiet here tonight. I mean, look at this kabooshin on the gold. You heard me nothing but say short, short, short the entire time, not long, long, long.
We had about 75 people share the stream.
There you go.
Yep.
We still got to get these numbers up. We didn't even hit 500 tonight. You got to get that. That's crazy.
I see Mr. Kawasi Akafo.
Here we go. Look at now gold.
Yeah.
Now gold goes to 15. If you want to
Gotta
take
be faster, Mister. I give it to us one time. Be faster next time.
this gold gets
Gold is
down to
tanking.
the 0780, 1580.
All right. Next is
Then you got to short the bounce, Jeff.
Mr.
Anybody?
21. Mr. 21, are you here? Hey, Mr. 21, congrats. All right, next but not least, I'm just kidding, it's the last one, is going to be
What a kabooshin. 20
Barbosa
handles on the
the
S&P.
Great.
Nasdaq's done over 110
Barbosa the
off
Great, are
high.
you here? Hey, Barbosa the Great, I see you.
Scale out of these longs,
Everybody,
Jeff.
that concludes
Scale out of
our
these longs on the
giveaways
gold.
for
If you
tonight.
bought, hit 1580. I don't know if you got it. If not, cancel. It's getting late. In and out.
Cancel it. Call it quits for tonight.
Nasdaq. No, I told you these 60-minute time frames were going to kaboosh them. I told you the 60-minute time frames on the Nasdaq and S&P were going to get kabooshed. All right, everybody. I think that's a pretty quiet day. We didn't nice shorts. We were calling shorts in the Nasdaq a bunch of time, bunch of shorts on the gold. Then I'll call you right after this. All right, everybody. I'll see you all tomorrow night. Expect the volatility really to start picking up here. Oh my God! Look at the S&Ps. Absolutely kabooshed. Do I need to enter the stream to be automatically selected? You have to sign in, correct?
You have to sign the sheet when it's pushed out.
Rockstar, what do you mean you can't hear after the first night? Hey, Aaron, have a great night, everybody. All right, here goes the gold. Jeffrey making new lows. I told you gold will go to 15. Jesus, Lord God. Gold just dropped 20. S&Ps, good Lord, just dropped 24. Nasdaq just got the guy who bought the Nasdaq at 24,958. He jumped.
He jumped ship, huh?
He jumped head first. Okay. Good night, everybody. Hey, and I want to say thank you. A big shout out to Denny here. Really, good man, served our country. Good man here every night, doing the best here. Okay, for everybody. All right. And you should get a little bit of a bounce here on the S&P and gold, Jeff, or anybody trading now. Should get like a little scalp long up here. There goes the gold. And, again, kudos, Denny, really, salt of the earth. Thank you for all the time and effort putting into this and taking the time to, put the names in for the giveaways, and MyFundedFutures for doing the giveaways. Over 750 since we've been doing this. Okay. All right, everybody. Have a great night. Get ready for more volatility tomorrow. Denny, have a great night. And again, thank you, Aaron, from my main man, Aaron from Hawaii. Okay. And that's it. I'm exhausted. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow night, 8:00. Have a great day trading. God bless you. And God bless United States of America. There goes the gold.
Have a good night, everybody. See you tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.